By default, modern Mac operating systems prevent software from having full disk access, also known as FDA. However, if FDA is not enabled for Carbonite Endpoint, it cannot back up these devices, which means no data will be backed up, and no files will be available for recovery. So if you're upgrading or installing Carbonite Endpoint on a Mac operating system that is at least version 10.13, it is imperative to ensure FDA is granted to Carbonite Endpoint. If you use tools to manage your Macs, such as Jamf, then check out our knowledge base for instructions to mass configure this setting. If you don't have these tools, our Carbonite Endpoint Release 10.8 has made it easy. First, when Carbonite Endpoint is manually installed or upgraded, it automatically detects it is on a Mac and presents a pop-up window called Enable Full Disk Access. Next, you need to open the Security and Privacy window in System Preferences. You can use the button to do that in a single click. The Security and Privacy window should appear on your screen. In the bottom left corner of that window, check to see if there is a lock icon. If there is, it means full disk access is locked on that device. To unlock it, click on the lock icon. You'll notice a new window opens with System Preferences asking for the administrator's credentials. Simply complete the password field with the credentials and click Unlock or press Enter. Return to the Enable Full Disk Access pop-up window. You're on step number 3. Click on the Open Applications folder button and the Applications window should appear on your screen. Within the Applications folder, find the Carbonite Endpoint icon. It's a green circle with a silver ring around it. Drag that icon from the list of applications to the Full Disk Access list on the Security and Privacy window. That's it. To wrap up, check the Do Not Show This Again box, and then click OK. Now, your Mac device is ready for Carbonite Endpoint to continually back up your data.